both boys here today. Now that's the only type of face mask that I approve of.
A welder's mask.
That doesn't sound right.
Not going in right.
Alright, as many of you guys know, we have the hole here. That's a hole that we hit 2 pieces of metal in. Don't want to touch it to have them fall out. That, all of this. Cover it up right there. Kills will weld it. We're having welder issues, but that's okay. And then this will be completely all good. We could use excess pieces for all that. But it's gonna look great. Just want to get some 4 shots of it.
This is not what you're supposed to do with Bondo.
You know what? She's good enough for who she's for. What? I think that's the saying. Good enough for who she's good for. What's the saying though? Good enough.
I've never heard that saying before.
I don't know. Alright guys, we're on the roof. We're taking out the rivets, peel back the panels, grind away the rust, re-silicone it, re-rivet it with a riveting gun. So it's all secure for the storm tomorrow. Haven't worked on this yet, but we will. Patching up those holes. Once we patch those holes up, we should be good on the rust or on the leakage. It's pretty much all that we have as far as I can find. Tomorrow is the real test though. We have a Cat 1 hurricane coming through, which is great because I'm excited. This is the highest end test that we could give it to make sure this is leak proof. And normally you would want a van that's already, you know, known for being leak proof, but you get what you get, right? And then once you get something that you don't like, that you make it better to something that you do. I don't know, sayings and stuff. I'm not good at them today. Taking out the roof. Raise the roof, boy. All the caulk removed. It's about, what time is it?
Bear o'clock.
Bear o'clock again.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's late. We're staying out here until we get this done because it's supposed to storm tomorrow, like I said.
Big old hurricane.
Big old.
It's a category 1.
It's a Cat 1. It's not a big. It's not a big old, but it's a hurricane. It's a hurricane. We ain't leaving.
We're staying in the bus.
We're staying in the bus. What you mean we leaving?
Tell them how good this is gonna be sealed.
This is gonna be so sealed. Listen, we're gonna caulk up all of this, re-rivet it, dip the rivets in caulk.
About what, 150 rivets?
About 150 rivets. This is all gonna be sealed. All right, let's go, bro.
All right, stay tuned for part 2.
I almost fell off.
From 2020. I was hoping you were getting that on film somehow.
Thick beads, no leaks. Alright Jackson, this one's for you, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Woo! Don't fall off the bus now, boy.
This one for you, Jackson Trump 2020. Cheers.
Cheers. so cold.
What's up, boy?
What's up, yo? We got locked out of the house, so we chilling in the bus. We cleaned the bus out. We got a hammock. I got soup with no spoon. My hands are hella dirty, but you know what? We chilling. We chilling. We chilling. You feel me?